What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today, in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to get people to join your stream on Twitch. So there are not built-in options to do that, but what you can do is you can customize your channels. Like just go to your profile or on the top right corner and just go to channel, and then over here you'll be having the option which says customize channel. Just go over here, you'll be redirected to this platform, and here you can do some customizations. Like you can uh, create your bio saying what your channel is about, what contents do you fit in it, and then you can also go with the link titles, or let's say the social media link. You can simply type TikToks and then just give the TikTok URL of your account, Instagram, and YouTube as well. And you can also go over here and add profile pictures. Just go over here, so it must be JPG, PNG, or GIF, whatever you guys say. And you can also customize many others. You can also have profile banners over here, you can add them as well. So what it does is it gonna attract the people, the viewers, and it gets people to join your stream more often and grow you up as well. So I guess that's pretty much, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. Like our videos, leave a like, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. And comment down for more reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thanks for watching.